हाय गाइस, आज हम स्टार्ट करने वाला है एक नया चैप्टर इंटरडिपेंडेंस इन लिविंग बीइंग्स, प्लांट्स एंड एनिमल्स। तो ये देखिए, ये हमारी बुक का पेज है। अब हम इसको ये कुछ नहीं है, सॉरी तो ये कुछ नहीं है, तो आप स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं। Introduction. Living things need different things from either surroundings to survive. They get warmth from sunlight, air from the atmosphere, water from lakes, rivers, and seas, and nutrition from the soil. Sunlight, air, water, and soil are non living parts of the environment. However, living things also depend on other living things for their survival. Let us see now. तो स्टार्ट करते हैं. Living things dependent on each other. Living things depend on each other for different purposes. Now, पहले हम स्टार्ट करेंगे पहले न्यूट्रिशन. Plants. Most of the plants make their own food by photosynthesis. Animals eat either plants or animals or both. In this way, all the animals use the food that plants prepared either directly or indirectly. अब हम स्टार्ट करेंगे कार्बोहाइड्रेट या oxygen. Plants use carbon dioxide for photosynthesis and give out oxygen. Most of the living things, animals and plants, use oxygen for respiration and give out carbon dioxide. Thus, plants and animals maintain a balance of carbon dioxide and oxygen in the air. अब हम स्टार्ट करेंगे पॉलिनेशन. तो हमने सीखा है पॉलिनेशन क्या, पर इसमें थोड़ा सा इन शॉर्ट. Many animals such as bees, butterflies, and birds collect pollen, nectar, and other substances that they need for flowers. When they visit other plants of the same kind, they transfer the pollen from one flower to another, thus helping in pollination. अब हम स्टार्ट करेंगे सीड डिस्पोजल. हमने पढ़ा है, बट ये भी एक शॉर्ट है. सीड डिस्पोजल. Birds and other animals play an important role in seed dispersal. They eat the fleshy fruits of plants and scatter the seeds in different places. Sometimes fruits and seeds stick to the bodies of animals and get away from the parent plant too. तो हमने ये भी इतना पढ़ लिया. अब हम ये पढ़ेंगे Salto. Insects and animals such as squirrels and monkeys live on trees and other plants. Many birds also build nests on trees to lay their eggs. तो अब हमने ये वाला पढ़ लिया. अब हम पढ़ेंगे making soil fertile. Earthworms and other animals burrowed into the soil and loosen it. This allows air to enter the soil and be used by the roots of plants. Fungi, bacteria, and other living things break down dead plants or animals matter and release nutrition to make soil fertile. अब इसमें हम पढ़ेंगे फूड लिंक्स. तो अभी तक हम फूड लिंक्स लेंगे. लिविंग थिंग्स आर क्लासिफाइड एज प्रोड्यूसर्स, customers, and customers based on how they get the food. Producers. Living things that make their own food is called producers. Plants are producers as they produce food by photosynthesis. They store and use this food for growth and survival. Animals take this to store food when they eat plants. अब हम पढ़ेंगे cosmos. Living things that depend on other living things for food are called cosmos. All animals are cosmos. They are all of different kinds. अब हम ये पढ़ेंगे. अब हमारा ये हो गया. अब हम बस अभी तक हम पढ़ेंगे यहाँ तक. फिर हम इसको नेक्स्ट क्लास में करेंगे. तो herbivores are animals. Herbivores eat plants for food. Examples are goats, cows, goats, sheep and deer and etc. अब हम पढ़ेंगे carnivores जो animals खाते हैं. Carnivores eat other animals such as snakes, snakes, sharks and duikers. Omnivores मतलब जो दोनों खाते हैं herbivores के जैसे plants और carnivores के जैसे animals. Herbivores eat both plants and animals. Example are crows, rats, birds and humans. Scavengers क्या होते हैं? Feed on dead animals or plants. Example vultures, catchers, hyenas and termites. तो फिर ये है. अब हम पढ़ेंगे decomposer are living things that break down dead plant and animal matter to get nutrition. The process of breaking down dead matter is called decomposition. It returns nutrition to the soil. These composers thus help to recycle nutrition in the environment. Bacteria and fungi are examples of decomposers. तो अभी तक हम यहीं तक ही करेंगे. अब फिर see you in the next class. Bye.